you got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
All the different steps because I rap about what I'm on. I see I do a little thing wrong.
What's going on, man? You still got air conditioner, I see. You know, it's hard to keep air conditioning in the baby ride. What you running here?
4 XB218s, Sundowns on 2 shock 8Ks by slaps.
Yeah.
Clamping about 4,500 watts. Not much power at all going to them.
He said he built all of them. Where can they find him at on social media? I forgot to ask him. He was so loud out there. He on social media, right?
Yeah.
Okay, what's the name on social media?
Let me pull it up.
Is that a way I can let them follow the builders and everybody who own the builds and whatnot?
I'll show you in just 1 second. 540_Tommy.
Y'all be sure to give him a follow. I'm gonna try to tag him down below. Y'all know how we do it. Those are XB3?
XB2.
XB2?
Yes, sir.
On the 2 slab, 5Ks.
8Ks.
8Ks, yes, sir.
Wire down to 2 ohms, so we're not even pulling half the power.
2 ohms.
Yeah.
Hey, but it's safe.
Oh, yeah.
It's safe though. Yeah.
This song is a little violent, and then I'll play something really windy because I can play down to 10 hertz and do head.
Oh, yeah, let's do whatever you got. On 2 snaps, 5K. Oh, 8K, okay, 8K, yeah.
Yeah, I'm only pulling 4,500 watts though. I'm not even
total.
Yeah, I'm not even pulling 16 in total.
Oh yeah, yeah. It's underpowered.
Yes, sir. This song right here is 10 to 19 hertz.
Okay.
Real low.
Come holla, high water won't let the kids go starving. I'm from the jungle, swinging that Jane like Tarzan. When the heaven bought me, so dark I'm like Marvin, the Martian. That mean you can't. Just to bring down the I've been my baby. Look at me rambling, I'm all over the place. If you ain't been through this kind of shit, you not supposed to relate. I plan to get where I'm going and not a moment too soon. They say the sky is the limit until you walk on the moon. Oh, how I feel. Like you gon' do what the please for the please let me know. I got all you can. You want a problem with me? Hey, you gon' scoot your ass. I don't feel like no commotion or no shit. Ain't no such thing as love. Down microscope. I'm ballin' in the league of my.
It'll play a wide range, that one. Yes, sir, man. So pretty as a demo, man. Let them know they can find you on social media. Are you on Facebook or anything?
I'm on TikTok.
Okay, let them know they can find you at.
Trashy low.
Trashy lows, man. Y'all know the phone. I'm gonna tag them down in the video. That's good seeing you, man.
Appreciate you, boss,
Thank
man.
you.
We're gonna put this on real quick.
Right equipment ain't gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.